These viral anime ASMR cooking videos are taking over social media right now. And the craziest part, this niche is completely unsaturated. Most people haven't noticed it yet. Now watch what I had created with free AI tools in just 2 minutes. In this video, I will show you complete process how you can create these videos with free AI tools. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt and hit enter. Then GPT will ask us to choose a character. You can choose male, female, or upload your own character. For this tutorial, I am going with female. So I will type female in prompt box and hit send. Then GPT will give us 10 different food items to choose from. Pick whichever you like. For this example, I will pick ramen, which is number 1. So I will simple type 1 and hit enter. Then GPT will generate a highly detailed video prompt for our video. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Choose your aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Choose video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in prompt box and click generate. It usually takes about a minute and our video is ready. Take a look. The video looks absolutely incredible. Calm, satisfying, and genuinely enjoyable to watch. The anime character, cooking animation, the atmosphere, everything comes together perfectly. Save the video from here, and that's the entire workflow. If you want to discover more viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, then subscribe to my channel and drop a like if this helped you.